Welcome to LilyPad. Let's take a look at the Parents tab. We will first look at the Manage Parents page. Here you will find a list of parents who are actively using our software. You will also find their contact information, current balance due, and a list of their children. Clicking the View Edit link next to their name brings us to the Manage Parents Info page. The Parent Info tab allows you to edit information pertinent to the parent, as well as assigning a sign-in PIN, username, and password the parent will use to log in. Once this information is filled in, you can click Update Parent to save. On the right-hand side of the page, you will find a list of children associated with the parent. You can also add a new child.
Now let's look at the Parent Billing section. Here you can view and edit existing invoices for the parents. Clicking the Create Invoice button will bring you to a page that will allow you to bill for additional items that may not be included in the automatic invoicing. By clicking the Notes tab, you can add and view any notes in the child's profile. This is a useful tool to document important conversations a provider has had with the parents, such as allergy concerns or medication information. The Documents tab is where you can add any important documents pertaining to the child or parent. All files allow you to see all files uploaded to the profile, while Sign-up Forms and Miscellaneous allows you to view existing documents and upload new documents. The Add Parent section allows you to add new parents to the system. Fill out the fields and then press the blue Add Parent button to save your entry. The Manage Invoices section brings you to the parent invoice list, which allows you to view all open invoices along with the history of paid invoices. Here you will also find the Create New Invoice button and Configure Invoice Items button, which allows you to make manual adjustments to any current invoices or create new ones. This now concludes our walkthrough of the Parents tab of MyLilyPadApp.com.